we're gonna remove the windshield today from the GS by removing these two bolts from down there. 1, 2, so we can get the whole assembly off, and then removing 1, 2, and I believe there's 2 more in the lower portion that will detach this from these brackets, and see how that goes. Let's start by removing these down here, if I ever get my hands to cooperate. Let's see how that goes. If I ever make it. Man, that's a long one. Feels like it. Yay! One goes there. The other should be easy to take off. It's like 95 degrees in the garage. I'm sweating already. Well, let me remove my passenger from here for a second. Yay, we got this one off too. Now they said you have to come to the front of the bike, like, well, there you have it, and push it downwards. So these are the 2 screws we just took off. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 to take off, so we can get the whole, both brackets that we're gonna attach on the new windshield. But that I'm gonna do it inside because it's too freaking hot in here. So now we keep going with, let's put it in perspective. I'm gonna remove these 4 bad boys, and we put them in a pattern so we know what the heck we're doing. Bracket is off. These are gonna be a pain, those grommets or whatever you call them. Now, they're not hard to take off. Upper, lower, upper, lower, and we're done pretty much now. Let's deal with Mr. Okay, let's see what we got. Put that on the side. Get this little, I mean, look at the difference. Oh, there we are. I mean, just look at it. It's huge. Let's see. Now we need to install this little bastards here. One more to go. And we keep doing what we're doing. No French words yet. So that's a good sign, right? Well, if you like what you see, you know what to do. Mr. GS48. Subscribe, share, comment, thumbs up, that kind of thing. Forgot to mention that because I'm so busy with this. Now reinstall the hardware. Oh, it's gonna be a beauty. Let's see. That's like until we figure out how, you know, how it's gonna go back on the bracket. I mean, we'll see. Let's see here. Left, right. This one back here. They're just snug, they're not like really super tight. I mean, if it flies off while you're riding, then kudos to you, you know. So let's go put it on the bike.
70 years later.
And there is the finished product.
Hey, that's pretty good.
This is at the lowest position, and this is the humongous upper position. I got pictures right here, you'll see them. Thanks for staying with me, and don't forget to subscribe, Mr. GS48.